Namaskar. Are the three gharanas of Kathak are Lucknow, Jaipur, and Banaras. Kathak, like our Indian culture, is full of beautiful traditions. Over the centuries, as Kathak spread across North India, it developed distinct regional styles, known as gharanas. Each gharana carries its own identity, rhythm, and emotional flavor, just like different dialects of the same beautiful language. Let's explore these three main gharanas: Lucknow, Jaipur, and Banaras. The Lucknow Gharana. The Lucknow Gharana was nurtured in the royal courts of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah of Awadh in the 18th century. The Nawab himself was a poet, dancer, and music lover, and he gave Kathak a new life of grace and expression. This style focuses on abhinay, the art of emotional storytelling. Every glance, every smile, every delicate gesture tells a story. Movements are smooth and lyrical, expressions are gentle, and rhythm blends with beauty. You will often see themes of Shringar Ras, love, devotion, and poetry expressed through Radha Krishna stories. The dancer becomes both storyteller and actor. Some of the great exponents of the Lucknow Gharana include Pandit Birju Maharaj, Sitara Devi, and Pandit Shambhu Maharaj, who made the style known all over the world. The Jaipur Gharana. Now, let's move to Rajasthan, to the courts of the Kachwaha kings of Jaipur. Here, Kathak found a new rhythm, bold, powerful, and full of tal. The Jaipur Gharana is known for its strong footwork, tatkar, fast chakkars, spins, and intricate laikari, rhythmic patterns. It is full of energy and strength, like the heartbeat of the tabla. Unlike the expressive Lucknow style, Jaipur emphasizes nritta, the pure dance aspect, focusing on technical mastery rather than storytelling. The dancer here challenges the rhythm, playing with complex patterns and mathematical precision. Legends like Pandit Durga Lal, Jaikishan Maharaj, and Pandit Rajendra Gangani have carried forward this dynamic tradition. If Lucknow is the poetry of Kathak, then Jaipur is its rhythm. And finally, the Banaras Gharana, also known as the Banaras or Varanasi style. Born in the spiritual city of Lord Shiva, this Gharana blends rhythm and expression with devotional energy. It combines the grace of Lucknow and the power of Jaipur. Movements are rounded, spins are softer, and the overall mood is bhakti, devotion. The dancers here perform Natwari Nritya, where rhythm and expression flow together. Each movement feels like a prayer. Parampara means tradition, and bhav means emotion are deeply rooted in this style. Masters like Pandit Janki Prasad and Sitar Devi ji were known for carrying the Banaras heritage forward. In addition of the Lucknow, Jaipur and Banaras Gharanas, Raigad Gharana is also a distinct style of Kathak. It took shape in the princely state of Raigad in Chhattisgarh under the patronage of Raja Chakradhar Singh, a remarkable king who was himself an expert tabla and pakhavaj player. He invited great masters from Lucknow and Jaipur Gharanas and trained his dancers under them. At his court, not only dancers and musicians but also scholars of Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu and English worked together. Raja Chakradhar blended the grace and nazakat of Lucknow with the strong footwork and boldness of Jaipur. But he did not just mix styles, he added his own creative genius. He composed many new parans with poetic names like Megh Pushp, Chamak Bijli, and Brahma Bij. His court also revived the old tradition of creating Jora, bowls complementary rhythmic patterns, something that became a signature of Raigad. One of the greatest contributions was that the Raigad Gharana encouraged male dancers, giving them a strong platform, which was rare at that time. Later, artists like Pandit Kartik Ram, Pandit Kalyan Das, Padma Shri Ramlal Baret, and many more. It is because of their work that Raigad is increasingly being recognized as the fourth major Kathak Gharana. Call it a style or a Gharana, its work speaks for itself. It is a legacy. So you see, each Gharana is like a river, flowing from the same source but creating its own melody. Lucknow speaks of grace and emotion, Jaipur of rhythm and strength, and Banaras of devotion and balance. Together, they complete the essence of Kathak, a dance that unites expression, rhythm, and divinity. Please watch our next episode. Stay tuned. Thank you.